Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name's Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to answer the question, what are the terms and conditions of having an installment agreement? Well, there's several terms and conditions that you have to agree to and you have to adhere to and honor if you have an installment agreement. First and foremost, to receive an installment agreement, you have to be current on all of your tax filings. If you're not current on all of your tax filings, then you can't get an installment agreement. You have to do all of your tax returns that are unfiled. You have to get them filed, and if you owe monies on all of those, they all have to be lumped into one installment agreement. That's the first thing. Secondly, once you're granted an installment agreement, you have to agree to file your taxes on a timely basis as long as the installment agreement is in place. Which means if you've got the installment agreement in place for 5 years, you have to file your taxes timely for 5 years. Effectively, what the IRS is saying here is they've given you a way to solve your back tax problems, but effectively they don't want you creating more problems in the future. That's the second. The third is not only do you have to file your taxes on a timely basis, but you have to pay your taxes on a timely basis. And what that means is if you're self-employed, you need to make estimated payments. If you have a significant amount of investment income, then you need to make estimated payments so that when it comes time to file your taxes, you do not have a balance due that's unmanageable. If you owe $1,000, that in and of itself will not cause an installment agreement to default. However, if you owe $1,000 and you can't pay that $1,000, then you have a problem because by definition, you're not supposed to owe any money to the IRS on future tax returns because remember, the IRS doesn't want the tax problem to become any bigger. And by doing so, you're really effectively adding to the installment agreement. So the terms and conditions for having an installment agreement are you have to have all of your taxes filed, you have to file your tax returns timely in the future, and you have to pay your tax returns timely in the future. That's it for today. I appreciate you stopping by. Look forward to speaking to you again real soon.